Hello dear friends. In this video, you will see an amazing underground survival bunker construction. Every second of the video is filled with a construction process full of effort. This man first starts digging the ground with an excavator. As the earth is excavated, the ground is prepared for the construction of the bunker. The excavator cleared the soil, but the job is not done yet. After carefully leveling the dug area with shovels, a blue tarp is laid in the pit to protect it from moisture. Here, you see a lot of wooden boards. The large boards are carefully measured and cut. Each cut board will be used in the later stages for the construction of the house. The boards are ready, and now the floor is being built. Our man carefully places each board on the ground. The underground bunker is now rising on a strong foundation. The next step in the bunker construction. Our man grabs his brush and paints the wooden floor white. Every brushstroke makes this underground bunker look even better. Everything is now ready. The cut, measured, and painted boards are now being moved to the excavated area. Two men carefully start placing these boards. The construction is progressing rapidly. This is amazing. The Survival Bunker House project has slowly started to take shape. We now have a square-shaped shelter, but there's still a lot of work to do. After the excavation for the entrance is done, the boards are skillfully placed on the floor, walls, and ceiling. This entrance becomes a crucial structure that reinforces the security of the bunker and completes it aesthetically. main structure of the bunker is complete. Our man, using both an excavator and a shovel, fills the surrounding area with soil, fully integrating the structure into nature. The soil layers are carefully placed and tightly leveled. This step not only increases the bunker's resilience against external factors, but also gives it a natural appearance. Now we ensure that the bunker remains completely hidden from sight. Our man covers the bunker layer by layer with soil, using both a shovel and an excavator. This man is now carefully constructing the ladder, completing the entrance to the bunker. This is not just a ladder, it's a safe passageway that will allow you to descend underground with confidence. After the entrance door is carefully installed, the entire area around the bunker is covered with soil. This process transforms the bunker into a completely concealed structure, hidden from view. This bunker is entered to store food. As the potatoes are arranged on the floor of the bunker, this method offers a great way to keep them fresh. The dark and cool atmosphere of the bunker creates an excellent environment for food storage, providing a significant advantage in the struggle for survival.